Jai Srimanarayana. 24th sloka of 13th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Dhyanenatmani pasyanti kechidatmanam atmana अन्ये सांख्येन योगेन कर्मयोगेन च अपरे ॐ Realize that you can perceive yourself. You can get Atma Sakshatkaram either by Dhyanam or by Vedic knowledge Jnanam or by path of action Karma. Whichever is easier for you, you may follow that path. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I realize that I can get Atma Sakshatkaram either by doing Dhyanam or by learning Vedic knowledge or by path of action. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep doing my actions without expecting rewards. O Sriman Narayana, I surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamruta sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamapetamakrutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamu Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 251st day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Chaturmukha Brahma did pradakshinam to Sri Krishna Paramatma and then bent and touched Krishna Paramatma's divine feet and did namaskaram and took permission from him and went back to his Satya Lokam. After that, Krishna Paramatma, who has forgiven Chaturmukha Brahma such Paramatma now bringing all the baby cows which were hidden by Chaturmukha Brahma 1 year ago. Krishna Paramatma took all those baby cows and came back to the banks of river Yamuna, where 1 year back all the boys and Krishna Paramatma were sitting and about to eat, sitting and eating. To that place Krishna Paramatma came. And 1 year back, how all the Gopalas were sitting and eating, now all the boys are like that only. The same place, same situation, nothing changed. Krishna Paramatma came along with all the baby cows. Ekasminnapi yate abde pranesancha antaratmanaha Krishna maya ahataha kshanardham menire vukkinchuka kalambugan ikshinchiri balakrishnu-nimayan. But Gopalas were not able to see that it is 1 year. After 1 year Krishna is coming. They were not understanding that. They were thinking that Krishna Paramatma came so quickly. Krishna Paramatma searched for baby cows and brought them very quickly. They were thinking it is almost like a half second or a kshanam. So Krishna Paramatma came. Ye mahatmu mayani visvamantayu mohitatmakamayundu. This entire universe is under control of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana making this entire universe, everyone under illusion. I mean, people are not able to understand whether they are bodies or they are atmas. To that extent, illusionary power is spreaded of Sriman Narayana. Now these Gopalas, these boys also under the same influence of Paramatma, so how can they understand it is now 1 year? It is after 1 year Krishna is coming. They were not able to realize that. So there is no much surprise to that, because those boys also under the influence of Maya of Paramatma. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namarashatravo vinihataha Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 13th chapter 24th sloka. Dhyanenatmani pasyanti kechidatmanamaatmana anye sankhyena yogena karmayogena chapare. Dhyanenatmani pasyanti kechidatmanamaatmana anye sankhyena yogena karmayogena chapare. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.